All right, so now we're going to do a tour of Adriana's room. If you like the color, I don't know how well it's really going to come off of what it is. It looks a little darker in person than on the screen, but it is called Magic Wand by Bear. So first thing, when you come in, it's these two bins right here of all of the toys that kind of go along with her kitchen. Now, her kitchen is a step 2 kitchen. It's pretty basic. I liked this one the most of all the ones I saw last year. This was from Kohl's. It was the Kohl's color combo exclusive, so the blue with the gray and the dark gray, which I really liked. The next thing here is her cute little frozen bed. I think we got it at Walmart. And same thing with that long pillow over there. She's got all her little animals and Santa and her little stuffed elf. On top of it, this tent my mother-in-law bought on Amazon. I'll see if I can link it. I think it's called Dream Tents. It connects like under the bed. I think it was really for a twin bed, but it fit fine on her toddler bed. Next, we have all of her stuffed animals in this huge bin, her huge mermaid bin that we got from HomeGoods probably like 2 years ago. But it fits them all, kind of. They're just overflowing. Her cute little wooden rocking chair is actually, this was mine when I was a toddler. So it's nice that she gets to use a lot of my old stuff. The cute little chest back here has her dresses in it. It's got all the Disney princesses on it. I think this was at HomeGoods too. And then she has her Fancy Nancy table. She loves this thing. She used to color at it all the time. Then we brought it upstairs in her bedroom, so she has somewhere to sit and play. Those are all of her little Halloween crafts that we did this year. She loves to do all the paints. Most of these came from Dollar Tree or AC Moore. And this was from HomeGoods. And it's really cute because some of the, like this is sparkles. Like all of the princesses have some little sparkles on them. Okay. And then she actually she's had this since she was born. The HEMNES, I think that's what it's called, IKEA dresser. I got the big one because I actually used the top of it as a changing table. So it was really nice to just kind of have one thing. And the drawers are really big. Like this is something like we could probably use. So it definitely is something that'll last her. So on top here we have the oil diffuser. I don't really use it for the oils. I do sometimes put like just a fresh scent in it, but it lights up and it lights up really bright. I'll link it below if I can remember. And I made this little candle stand from Dollar Tree. And this metal tray is from Dollar Tree as well. And then her Precious Moments Ariel and Flounder. Her room, there's a lot of mermaids in here because her nursery was all mermaid themed. This is actually a little piggy bank. Got that at HomeGoods. Her little Bermuda snow globe. This right here, her great-grandmother made a long time ago in ceramics. So we were lucky enough to be able to get that a couple of years back at a yard sale. They were selling it. And her one cousin grabbed it and was like, oh no, we need to buy this for Adriana. So we're happy that we have that because if you don't know, my husband's grandmother passed away a couple of weeks ago. So it's nice that we have this that she made. We also have this mermaid and seashell. They have the satchels of potpourri in them. I think they were from Marshall's as well. This mermaids have all the fun sign. Is super cute. And then I'm going to do a video probably for January. I'm going to try to do a lot of organization videos, but her drawers are pretty much just, I just use these 3 drawers right now. But this is all of her pajama tops, pajama bottoms, and dresses. This drawer is sweatpants, jeggings, jeans, and leggings. The bottom ones have like bath stuff in them, and they just have some random things in it, so I'm going to try to go through them and really organize them again. Right here is this little Tyke's Playhouse. Now, I think I saw it at Walmart. They did have this again, but this is from when I was a kid, and I was born in '87. I think this came out in like 1990. So it has like a mommy and a daddy, and there's a baby somewhere. There's a brother and a sister. I have all the pieces. So it's really nice that she can, like I said, play with a lot of my old stuff. My mom, kept a lot of my things. So, yeah, she plays with this all the time. She loves it. Oh, one other cute little detail from when she had the mermaid room. I found these at Christmas tree shop, the curtain rods that have starfish on the end of them. So, Christmas tree shop, if you have one near you, always has nice, like, ocean theme decor, which is cool. Her closet. So, we also have Love You to the Moon and Back. That is from Hobby Lobby years ago, but I think they actually still have it. And then Be a Mermaid and Make Waves. Adriana broke it. I was putting one of her dresses on there, and she really wanted it, so she pulled it off and broke it. Her closet. Now, like I said, there's a lot in here I gotta go through, but that will be a organization and declutter series in January. But so I hang up every one of her shirts that's not pajamas. So like she has all of her dresses, her little jackets, her soccer shirt, everything. And it is color coordinated, mainly because it is so hard to mix and match kids' clothes sometimes. Like, you buy a set and then you never really know what goes together again sometimes. So another tip for that would be take pictures of the sets as you buy them and add it to a private Pinterest board. That way you can look at it and know what your kid has and what clothes are actually supposed to be together. Like, this is just the cutest little jacket ever. And then this shirt matches it. And then you can, like, just really see what you have. Like, she obviously has a lot of blue, but she looks really cute in blue because she has blue eyes. Some grayscale. So it's, like, really... And once you have their closet set up color coordinated, it's very easy when you're putting everything away to just put it back where it goes. So, and like I said, you could just see everything a lot better. I only fold pajamas and pants. Everything else is up here, even like basics. Like, she just has basic t-shirts. She still has some onesies. Like, the one shirt she has on today is just a black basic onesie with some sweatpants. But yeah. So leave a thumbs up and a comment if you're excited for some organization videos coming in January, because I have a lot of spaces in this house since we only moved in 7 months ago now. Not sure, but we really didn't. I mean, I still have a lot to unpack in the basement, like I said in another video. So yeah, so we'll be doing a lot of decluttering, especially of my clothes. Oh my gosh. But yeah, can't wait to do that series with you guys. Like I said, it'll be coming in January. So have a great day, guys, and I'll talk to you tomorrow in another Vlogmas video. Bye.